Welcome back to the channel, Easy Tribe. Thanks for coming back. How are you guys doing tonight? And good morning to you guys around the world or wherever you are. Yeah, so tonight I just want to let you guys know that I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm pretty sure it was the weather now that I've seen like how I've been and how I felt. I thought it was like a bacteria. Usually it's my bacteria lungs, but this time it was just the weather. Maybe from walking too much in the sun and stuff, but yeah, it kicked my butt and I was out for a couple days. I've been lying around and Jodalyn's just been babying me the whole time. I've been having like lots of massages and drinking tons of water and just like peeing constantly, just peeing water. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better. I think tomorrow I'll be like in the swing of things, being able to vlog. But I want to show you guys a really cool package we got from the USA. I want to give a shout out to Kelly. Sorry, there's a mosquito. I want to give a shout out to Kelly for sending us this package, and also I'd like to give a shout out to Patricia and Ryan and their beautiful daughter Zaria, if I'm saying that right. They're originally from Iloilo City, and they're in California right now, and they sent us a little bit of money to buy Kathleen a new mattress because she remembered that I at once said that she was sleeping on wood, and there she is. Can you guys see her? It's dark in there. There she is. You guys see her? Here's the mattress. The fuck? What the hell? What just happened to the iPhone? It just died? Damn. Well, anyway, you can see it. Here's the mattress. Good night. I just woke her up. But anyway, thank you, Patricia and Ryan, for sending us the money for getting her, buying her the mattress. And shout out to Kelly for this package. So check out the package video, guys. And if you're new here, I'm Brian. It's my family. My wife's sleeping in here. And if you haven't, click right down there to the subscribe button and hit a like button for sleeping babies. This is my wife and my baby boy. There's a couple other kids, but yeah, just watch our other videos and stuff. Stay tuned for more. See ya. Oh, even though she's not ready for the day. Hun,
Yes.
hurry up.
Let me open it.
We're gonna open a package. But, oh my gosh, no, please. So hold on, tell them what's going on. Our friend from the USA, Kelly.
Our friend.
Yes. She sent us a package.
Sent us a package from California.
Thank you. Thank you, Kelly.
I have the address, so we're gonna send something.
Yeah, but don't tell them what else happened. It's kind of...
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, why is it open though?
I don't know. It doesn't look like someone opened it.
It looked like maybe just...
I think it just...
got thrown around.
I think so.
The box looks like it got thrown around.
It just looks like this, look.
Yeah, that one's good, but the other side was open. So we have to verify with Kelly to make sure it's all there. So
Yes.
we'll let you know. So. To be continued. We're gonna open it and then verify with Kelly, and we'll let you know. And then we'll show you guys what's in the box. Let's just show right now. Whoa, mommy's cutting it open like. Watch out, Kathleen. Back up. Mommy's got the death grip on it.
Hey,
Wait, so why are you cutting it like that? Oh, okay. I see. Oh, it looks like it might be all good.
Oh, it doesn't look like. You have lots of plastic bags.
I think that's gonna help.
Oh, recycle tita.
Huh? Recycled bag?
Yeah, remember. Sa labuhan. You can wash it.
Oh, wow.
See? Hand washable.
Oh.
Reuse 125 times.
Dang.
Made in the USA.
Char! USA! USA!
Don't throw away.
Yeah.
Oh, don't throw away. You just wash and then reuse.
Huh?
And she used that for the stuffing.
Mag-umpra ka, tita.
She used that for the stuffing. Oh, daghan.
Wow, crayons.
Whoa!
Wow.
Fudge! Tita's gonna make some fudge brownies right here. Here, Tita, look. Oh, anak.
Jerky.
Wow! Yay! Mommy's a happy camper.
I'm gonna buy an oven to make this.
Hi, sis. Oh my gosh, those are so good.
This is really helping us
Yes.
to get the kids to take their vitamins, especially Josephyn, because Josephyn doesn't like vitamins at all.
Exactly.
But this one, she thinks it's
Candy.
She thinks it's a candy. Oh my gosh, thank you.
Sorry guys, Papa Mimi is upstairs banging the hammer.
Jerky.
Whoa, 2 bags of beef jerky? Dang. Oh, geez, don't dump them out.
Okay.
Well, you just dumped out all of the crayons. Awesome. Dang, 96. All right, Kathleen, I want you to count the crayons. Dang, we're going to be eating good, guys. Thank you, Kelly.
Then I get some spam. Thank you. Oops.
That's me and Tita's. That's Tita and mine.
Okay. No
Tita and
fighting. No fighting.
Whoa, look at all the crayons. Whoa. Oh yeah, so if you guys didn't know, Kelly is an artist, and if you want to support her her art, you can go to her page with the link below and support her art. You can even buy her art, I'm sure, somehow. Just ask her on Facebook.
Who wants to draw?
Mimi.
Thank you. Okay,
Michael, you look like a little monkey sitting on the table.
I want you guys to draw something.
Yes.
And then
We're going to show you guys what they draw.
You write something to Candy so we can send it to her address, okay?
Yes.
Write something, you draw something so we can send it to her.
Thank you, Kelly, for the chocolate fudge, all the crayons, all the supplies, and we are gonna bake and we're gonna make a video of this. Trust me. I'm sure Tita Ben is gonna want to make some fudge brownies.
This is for Michael.
And Michael and Kathleen have the drawing set.
Kuya, come down.
Yeah, don't put it. Yeah, it's basat there. It's wet. It's wet there. Don't put the stuff. But yeah, thank you. We needed those vitamins and spam. Oh, I'm gonna make a spam sandwich. And shout out to Emma in Hawaii. At the Emma in Hawaii, she sent us the spam before. It was awesome. But Kelly, thank you. Awesomeness. Thank you. My mommy's a happy. Yeah, don't worry. Your fudge brownies are there.
So when I used to make all the time with this one when we were in the States, I haven't for 5 years. So I'm gonna make some after we bought the oven.
Hey. Okay.
Wala.
Oh yeah, you guys who've been asking about Tatai, he's right here. Hi Tai. Kamusta ka? He's still here. Don't worry, guys.
They said that how are you? And he said I'm still alive.
I'm still alive.
So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe
Yes.
and hit the like button.
And hit the like button. Thank you, Kelly. Shout out to you. Facebook. Kelly's Facebook is in the link below. Check out her artwork. It's really cool. She makes really funny artwork. I mean like drawings to even like moldings. So check it out. So hit the like button if you want to eat fudge brownies with us later and see the chef Mama Bin make
Yes.
it. So, for sure.
Camera.
Well, look at Braeden. Hi, Bray. What's going on? Yeah?
Going.
Yay! Approved. So, oh, they're already drawing here. Attack of the Braedens. Alright, we gotta fix all the crayons and take them out of the box, put them in there. And we'll show you guys their drawings later, so stay tuned.
What, Kathleen?
Why would you do that? What was that? Trash can in a boat? What?
And then I will put you
Wait, hold on,
in
hold on.
the jungle.
Hold on. If I was a dog, you would throw me on a boat and then send me to a jungle?
Yeah.
Why?
In a
What if I was a good dog?
trash can in a boat and then in the jungle.
What if I was really cute? What if I was like the cutest dog? And I looked up at you and I was just like, with the sad puppy dog. Would you still take me there? Would you leave me there?
I don't know.
I don't think you'd leave Daddy there.
I'm sleepy.
I think you'd be
Change
like,
topic.
poor doggy.
Poor doggy. Oh, don't leave the dog.
I think you're too sweet to leave Daddy in the jungle.
I'm sleepy.
Why are you jumping up and down then?
I'm sleepy.
You don't look sleepy. Did I tell you the story of Goliath?
Yes.
Really?
It sounds so.
Why didn't we just video that?
It's easy.
Put a GoPro and
What story did Tata tell you again?
He said he forgot and he just said it's only 5 brothers and then there was a big giant and they did it. Mom, Dad, the end.
Oh,
Really sure?
that's a good story though.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was Goliath, and then David.
It's like Papa Mekmek. You sleepy, Bo?
Me
You just and then you're not.
He just went to play really fast.
Mom, I'm sleepy.
He just went to play really fast.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait, no, you're done playing. What do you guys?
Mike, you need to go pee and go to bed so you don't pee the bed. No more peeing the bed. Oh, why are you smiling? Because you peed, huh? You peed.
What was he? He forgot to pee and then he went to bed. Well, not forgot. He did not pee and he went to bed. And then he peed on his bed and he was crying downstairs. Yeah.
ew.
He doesn't like it when he peed on his bed. Kathleen.
He
Actually
doesn't.
doesn't like
It
it.
upsets him.
Sleep at the rock. Kuya biyak mo ka.
Oh no, we don't need the roasting going on.
You sleep with
No roasting.
crocodile.
No roasting.
Then you sleep
When he accident. Shh.
Pag-delete ba?
When he accidentally peed on in his bed, it upsets him. He would cry.
I did that too though when I was a kid. Cause you're upset, you're embarrassed, and you're awake. Boy,
With me?
scared me too.
What happened?
Yeah, it's embarrassing, and then you're tired. It's upsetting.
brush.
Oh, it's time to go.
Yeah, brush your teeth, sweetie.
When she was the bed, I just
The
pee
toothpaste is
my
there.
bed. Then I just pee my bed and I was crying.
You remember?
Yeah, and then I wake you and you put on it.
And then I what? I put the blankets.
Yeah.
I put the blankets under you
No, you put the blanket.
so that you could sleep on top of it.
Yes.
Yeah. So it was dry.
We sleep all together in one bed.
Yeah, so That's why I had to put the blanket, because it was my bed and the water, the pee was like soaking into the mattress, coming closer to me.
And mommy see.
Go pee. And brush your
Hey, mommy, can you do a little walk? Can we see your new, what do you call that?
Mommy.
Outfit? Can we see your new outfit, hon? I know you're not ready. Stop, honey.
I want to sleep.
Gosh, I've been sleeping all day, guys. I've just been out.
You like being baby. Do you like it when mommy
Go brush your
baby
teeth. Go.
loves?
Use your toothbrush. The water's working there.
Love you.
Okay, guys.
When he's not feeling good, when Micah's not feeling good, he likes it when I'm doing this to him. It makes him feel better. Right, Kuya? So the weather hasn't been really good.
Yeah, the weather's been really.
This past few days,
Really
past
hot.
few weeks, hot rain, and then so him, Kathleen, and Brian has fever, had a fever. I mean,
Sipra.
and
Carmelo.
Sipra, yeah, and Carmelo. Oh my gosh.
And card.
Look what Meme did, mommy. All this white. Papa Meme did all this.
Man, this is not the same yellow white.
Well, this is just the primer.
What's a primer?
It's just like the first coat that goes
See?
on.
We listen.
What? Hi,
We
mommy.
listen. We listen advice.
Yes, to the
We
comments.
listen constructive criticism.
Yeah. So, but Mike, you look like you have bubble gum in your hair. Again, it's like the return of the bubble gum.
Friend, choo choo.
So, what? You sound like a monkey.
Sige, press. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ako.
Does it tickle? Feels good though.
Aha.
Oh, it feels good.
Aha.
Oh, how long the toothpaste? She means the,
Your teeth.
it's very winter fresh.
Wow.
Wonderful.
You sleepy? Okay, hold on. Brush your teeth.
Well, you're gonna brush your teeth, Kuya.
See, you stay here. So first, it's and then another 30 seconds on the other part, upper part.
30 more seconds.
Ano ba?
Careful with his top teeth.
Why?
He hit it really hard. It's about to fall out.
No,
The
it's
black,
not.
Mr. Blacktooth.
I
Mike,
do.
Ay!
leave him. Hey, you out. You don't need extra.
Open your mouth. There
Say
you go.
Bring her down. I don't want the cat here, please. Bring her down.
Okay.
Be nice to me, guy. All right, Mike, you done for now?
Done.
Yeah, you need to go check up, bro. Bring her down. Bring her down, babe. Just pick her up. Pick her up. Bring her downstairs, please. Yeah, the house already looks better with that white right there. What do y'all think?